Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can switch or change modes in Bumble. Well, it's quite easy. So all you have to do is make sure that you are logged into your account and simply open the application, and from here tap on your profile icon right here, get to the profile and tap on this gear-like icon right here and get to the settings. In here you can see the option of type of connection, tap on it, and here simply tap on BFF in order to get to the BFF mode. In order to save it, tap on continue with BFF. Here you can see we have now successfully come to our BFF mode, but in here you can also see the option of date mode, which is currently turned on. So if you simply tap on this toggle button and turn this off, all of your informations in your date mode will just be gone, and all of your chats will also be gone, and you will completely be removed out of date mode and you'll only be in BFF mode. So if you want to do that, you can also do that. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.